everyone, I'm Magic Colors. Today I am going to draw a bulldozer. Let's draw and paint together. Let's paint. Green. Yellow. Blue. Red. Pink. Look how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video.